I'm excited to announce to you that our summer camp starts on the 29th of July. Yes, this month. So next month, 22nd of August. It's going to be wonderful. We are having esteemed Discover Your World. Yes, you have me right. We are going to be discovering a lot of potentials during this summer. A lot of our children, some are interested in just graphics. You've noticed that, but you've always said, you go read your book. This summer, leave them to explore. Yes, you have me right. There are those boys that wants to learn barbing. We have a trainer for that. There are girls that want to learn hairdressing, where they'll make hair. The elders can help the youngest, especially in this economy. It will go a long way. You know, there are a lot of young people, even adults, even children, that are making millions of naira in just making video, posting it on social media, and they earn in dollars. Yes, like YouTube, Facebook, and the likes. They pay in dollars. Oh. They can learn videography during the summer. Isn't that exciting? They can learn photography, editing. Um, there'll be chef corner where they will learn baking, beverages, and the likes. Dance. We are going to be having sports time. We'll learn chess. A lot and a lot in store. You will not want to miss it. Registration is just 10,000 naira. Check the flyer for more information. Now, you're not interested in any of this training, no problem. You are adamant on that child must be able to read during the summer. There are private tutors that will take that. It's just math and English. You must be good in math. These 4 weeks will do the magic for you because it will be a one-on-one training. The 10,000 naira, you're going to get more value for that. If you are learning, taking other training, terms and conditions are applied though. Because videography, photography is a lot. Graphic designs requires a lot. But I can't wait to welcome my adorables and to discover a lot of hidden potentials in them. Now, the exciting news is that after the 4 weeks training, apart from the fact that they will be issued a certificate, there will be a trade fair. Are you as excited as I am? They will showcase their products for sale. They will sell, they will make profit. I'm here to mentor young entrepreneurs on profit making. I can't wait. We are trying to create a community of literate entrepreneurs. We have a lot of literate people that are broke. Oh. They just speak English and they are broke. I don't want to raise children like that. And we have a lot of illiterates. You will see them, they will be the first to pay their children's school fee. Yes, but they can't read, they can't write. And there are these people that will speak and blow grammar. At the end of the day, we'll pay it twice, so we'll remove this. So I don't want to raise broke house educated people. So let's diversify. Let's make this summer a fun one for these kids. I can't wait to welcome them. Monday 29th will be majorly for for trainers, facilitators, to tell them a lot of things about what they want to offer and interview session for our kids. Don't forget, registration is compulsory for all and terms and conditions apply. See you soon. Can't wait to welcome my adorables.